Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, I was only 6 when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam married me. Then we migrated to Medina Munawwara and dismounted in the house of Banu Haris bin Khazraj. Then I fell seriously ill, due to which even I became bald, only with some hair near the ears. Then one day, while I was enjoying swing with my girlfriends, my mother Ruman came and called me loudly. I went to her without knowing the purpose of her call. She held my hand and made me stand at the door of a house. I was panting heavily, and when after a long time I get my breath back, she took some water and rubbed my face and head with it. Then she took me into a house where there were some Ansari women who said, May your arrival be full of blessing and may it augur well. Then I was entrusted to those women and they gave me beautifying treatment, and I got embraced when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in the afternoon and they handed me over to him. I was then a girl of 9. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3894.